Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you Chapter 8 Reach for the Top from class 9th. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So, at the very starting, I would like to tell you the meaning of the title, that is Reach for the Top. That means making your dreams come true, achieving something that you have decided. So, my dear students, here at first we will study about part 1, that is संतोष यादव. हम पहले संतोष यादव के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Before you read, at first let us study about before you read. Think for a while and make a list of 3 or 5 persons you idolize. That means you have got to think for a while. तुम्हें थोड़ी देर के लिए सोचना है. And make a list of 3 to 5. And prepare a list of 3 to 5 persons that you consider them your idol, your role model. You people want to become like them or admire very much for their achievements, and you really appreciate, you really admire whatever they have achieved in their lives. Your idols may be from any sphere of life. It means whom you have considered your role model, your idol. They may be different. They may be from different fields. They may be from medical. They may be from engineering. They may be from civil services, and so on. Like here it has been given. Sports. They may be from sports. They may be from medicines. They may be from media or art and culture. I hope you must have understood it. Let's continue. Your teacher will then discuss your choices with you to find out who the top 5 idols of your class are. Now I tell you, what does this mean? Your teacher will then discuss your choice. Means during the class your teacher will be asking you such questions about your role models, about your idols. To find out who the top 5 idols of your class, and they will be selecting the 5 people, the 5 idols of your class. Now let's continue, my dear students. The only woman in the world who has scaled Mount Everest twice was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, and a daughter, though not considered a curse, was not generally welcome. So I tell you, what does the writer say here? The only woman in the world. केवल एक ही वुमेन इस वर्ल्ड में थी, आई मीन रही है. हु हैज़ स्केल्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस. हु हैज़ रीच्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस. जो माउंट एवरेस्ट पर 2 बार पहुंची है. वॉज बोर्न इन अ सोसाइटी. वो एक ऐसे समाज में पैदा हुई थी वेयर द बर्थ ऑफ अ सन वॉज रिगार्डेड एज अ ब्लेसिंग. उस समाज में जहाँ पर एक लड़के के जन्म को एक आशीर्वाद के रूप में माना जाता था. दे वेलकम्ड व्हेन अ सन वॉज बॉर्न in such society. and a daughter, though not considered a curse. And when it came to taking birth of a girl, दो नॉट अ कर्स, कि जब एक लड़की का जन्म उस समाज में हुआ करता था, हालांकि उसको एक कर्स नहीं समझते थे, एक अभिशाप नहीं मानते थे, बट नॉट वेलकम्ड प्रॉपरली, लेकिन उसका स्वागत ऐसे नहीं करते थे जैसे एट द टाइम ऑफ सन, एक बेटे के जब लाइक व्हेन ही वाज बोर्न. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू. When her mother was expecting Santosh, a traveling holy man giving her his blessing assumed that she wanted a son. But to everyone's surprise, the unborn child's grandmother, who was standing close by, told him that they did not want a son. So, once what happened, when her mother, जब संतोष यादव की जो मदर है वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग संतोष, मीन्स व्हेन शी वॉज अबाउट टू बोर्न, जब संतोष यादव का जन्म होने वाला था, अ ट्रैवलिंग होली मैन, एक बड़ा ही एक धार्मिक, एक लाइक इन द फॉर्म ऑफ साधु संत, दे हु हैड बीन देयर गिविंग हर हिज ब्लेसिंग. तो संतोष यादव की माँ को उन्होंने एक आशीर्वाद दिया. एज्यूम्ड दैट शी वांटेड अ सन, उन्हें लगा दैट संतोष यादव्स मदर वांटेड अ सन, कि उन्हें एक बेटा चाहिए. बट टू एवरीवन सरप्राइज द अनबोर्न चाइल्ड्स ग्रैंडमदर, लेकिन संतोष यादव की जो दादी माँ थी, शी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सेड दैट दे डिड नॉट वॉन्ट अ सन, कि उन्हें एक बेटा नहीं चाहिए. द होली मैन वॉज ऑल्सो सरप्राइज. हैविंग हर्ड सच वर्ड्स, द होली मैन वॉज डम्फाउंडेड. नेवरदलेस ही गेव द रिक्वेस्टेड ब्लेसिंग, फिर भी उन्होंने आशीर्वाद दिया. एंड एज डेस्टिनी वुड हैव इट, द ब्लेसिंग सीम टू वर्क. Santosh Yadav was born the sixth child in family with 5 sons. So, after some time, as destiny mattered, then Santosh Yadav was born. तो संतोष यादव का जन्म हुआ. And she was born the sixth child in a family with 5 sons. Already there had been 5 sons in that family, and Santosh Yadav was the 6th one. A sister to 5 brothers. That means 5 भाइयों के बाद, and she was born, उसका जन्म हुआ. She was born in the small village of Joniavas of Rewari district in Haryana. My dear students, there has been given a short description about the place as well. She was born in the small village of Joniavas. तो उसका जन्म जोनियावास, like a village of Rewari district that lies in Rewari district in Haryana. I hope you understand, my dear students. Now let us continue. The girl was given this name Santosh, which means contentment. After some time, the girl was given the name, उस लड़की को नाम दिया गया संतोष. That means contentment. इसका मतलब होता है संतोष. Once you get satisfied with something, a kind of satisfaction. But Santosh was not always content with her place. But Santosh was not always content with her place in a traditional way of life. Means, in Santosh Yadav's family, people were completely related to rituals, traditional, and they tended to uh, keep their traditions, customs, rituals, right? Whereas Santosh Yadav was just opposite of them. Now let us continue. She was not. She was basically not satisfied the way of surviving the lives by the rest of the family members. Now continue. Yes, she began living life on her own terms from the start. From the very starting, she was very much determined to live her life according to her rules and regulations. Where other girls wore traditional dresses, Santosh preferred shorts. In her village, most of the girls were completely bound to wear traditional dresses, whereas Santosh Yadav liked shorts. I hope you understand. Looking back, she says now, from the very beginning, I was quite determined that if I choose a correct and a rational path, the others around me had to change, not me. She, being very straightforward, declared that means I have got to live my life according to my choice, according to my rules and regulations on my own. People who are living around me, they have got to change themselves. Means I will not change myself. I will I will live my life according to my own decisions, my rules, regulations. So, my dear students, I hope you must have understood something that I have explained to you. The rest part of this chapter will be taken next time. Thank you very much.